everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to recover your Picsart account. If you need to recover your Picsart account, then follow through the instructions. First of all, open up the Picsart application on your mobile device and then, from the first interface, tap on the Sign In button at the very bottom of the screen. It'll prompt you to enter your email address or your username followed by your account's password. If you don't remember your password during the login process, then here is how you can recover your account. Click on the Trouble Signing In link right beneath the Sign In button at the bottom, and it'll take you to Picsart.com website from where you can reset your password. Type in your email address associated with your Picsart account in the text box. After you do that, click on Send Link. A verification link will be sent to your email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. You will receive a reset password link from Picsart. Tap it open and click on Reset Password. Select the web browser you'd like to continue with, and on the next page, it'll prompt you to create a new password for your account. Type in the new password, including the criteria popping above, and re-enter the password once again in the next field. Finally, click on Save. You have successfully changed your password. You can now log into your account with the new password. Go back to the Picsart application and make sure to restart the app from the beginning. Now click on Sign In at the bottom and enter the email address and then the newly updated password on the next field. Finally, click on Sign In and you will then be able to log into your Picsart account after recovering it. Now, even if you've forgotten your password, you can get access to your account quickly and easily following these steps. That's how you can easily recover your Picsart account in just a couple of few steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.